this is the old bed that I'm going to recycle, and I'm going to make a DIY chair pad that is detachable and washable. So this is the chair pad, guys, and this is the chair. So this is how I'm going to make it. The pad must be longer than the chair so that this area won't hurt the thigh or the legs when we sit on it, and this must be longer than here, okay, and so that this will not hurt in here. So that's it. So I will be using this fabric down here or cloth to cover the DIY chair pad that I'm going to make. So guys, I'm about to finish my DIY washable and detachable chair pad. So I already done 4 of it, and there's a part 2 of this vlog, so guys, watch out for it. I hope you all guys to support me on my part 2 of this chair pad, and you're gonna see what am I going to do next of this, what else more I can do with this chair pad. So this is not only the chair pad making, but I have to make a cover of this also, so I want you guys to support me and watch out for it. So I make the cover of this. So I already made 4.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. Straight ahead, no man can do like I can. I'm the queen of the land. Haters gonna hate, won't be sorry now. Shoot me down, but I'll rise again. I'm laying down the law, and you've been served. 1 by 1 billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing.
So guys, this is it. I'm done for my chair pad, a DIY detachable washable chair pad from an old bed. So guys, this is from an old bed, okay? I recycled it, made into a chair pad so that my butt will not get hurt when I sit on this chair. So this is my eating table chair. So as I made it into higher level, I have a part 2 of video of this. So see you on the part 2 of this, and watch out for it, guys, because I'm just doing it by my hand, so it takes longer time. So I made a part 2 of this video. So this is only the part 1 on making a chair pad. So see you on the next vlog on my part 2 of this.